Just had a couple direct hits. Damn! Another one! Whoa! Holy bejesus! Oh shit! Wow, there's a gnarly ass storm right here. Whew. I saw that one, it hit a tree over there. I don't know if my camera picked it up. I felt the force of it though, and I'm behind a door. Whew. Took my breath on that one. You okay, Sage? You okay, sweetie? She grew up in this stuff. She's tough. That was the boom boom, though. Oh, another one. Don't touch the door, sweetie. Whew. Those were gnarly. There was like 3 right before that, and then I grabbed my camera and got like, down, baby. Don't touch the door. Whoa. Dangerous storm. That's about 20 strikes in 3 minutes. Well, I didn't count the few right before. We've had a few, but I'm talking pretty direct. Whew. There's always, as a storm like that goes past you, as they say, wait about a half hour from the last one you hear. But there's always that last one. You think, oh, phew, that one's passed. And then boom. Don't touch the door, Sagey. Okay, Dan was dead on. Well, I hope that wasn't my satellite dish, because that one was dead on. Oh, yep, I have no power. That one killed the power. Well, that one was dead on, sweetie, and just killed our power.